Hi everyone. So, like most people, I was having a bit of a coronavirus clear out when I came across a CD from the early noughties. I stuck it on to listen to while I worked and came across a song that when I heard it, my ears pricked up and my heart lifted. It was that song by Heather Small called Proud. A great song which contains a great question for us to consider. What have you done today to make you feel proud? This message, my message, is as always for everyone, but I do bear in mind specifically members of sixth year who missed out on their graduation last Friday, at which I usually say a few words. And I am sorry that you're not going to get your cream eggs this year, but don't worry, they have gone to a good home. So, what have you done today to make you feel proud? What have you done this year to make you feel proud? What have you done during this pandemic to make you feel proud? The problem in answering this question is probably where to begin, because you will have done so much to make you feel proud. First and foremost, you have gotten to where you are now. On the one hand, you have made it to this point of graduating from school as young ladies. And on the other hand, you have made it to this point given the worry and anxiety and uncertainty that you will have no doubt experienced around the leaving cert. However you feel about it now, you may be relieved, you may be angry, you may still be unsure as to how you feel about it. You have made it this far. You should be proud of that. During this pandemic, you have supported your school, your friends, your classmates, and offered encouragement to those throughout the school who look up to you. Be proud of that. You have worked with staff in coming to terms with new ways of learning. Be proud of that. You've listened to someone who has been struggling with the restrictions. You have made somebody laugh. Be proud of that. You may have learned a new skill. Be proud of that. You may not have learned a new skill. You may not have succumbed to the pressure and were simply content taking time for yourself. Be proud of that. You admitted to struggling with the current pressures and asked someone for help. You failed at something, made a complete mess of something, but you picked yourself up and got on. Be proud of that. You believe in yourself, or are learning to believe in yourself more and accept yourself, both your strengths and your weaknesses. Be proud of that. Be proud of your values and beliefs. Be proud of your abilities. Be proud of the opportunities you have seized. Be proud of your accomplishments. Be proud of your body. Be proud of who you are. What have you done today, this month, this year to make you feel proud? Loads. You've done loads to be proud of. You are something to be proud of. That song, also contains these lyrics. I step out of the ordinary. I can feel my soul ascending. I am on my way. Can't stop me now. You are on your way. No one can stop you. So go out there and be. Be yourself. Be proud of what you've done this far and be proud of who you are. Bye for now and take care.